All right, guys. You guys thought I was gonna make a house out of this thing, didn't you? Well, that's not what's gonna happen here today. This old boat has been sitting here for years. I don't know how many years. I was not planning on doing this video, but I came down here with the pooch earlier and saw some things that I thought were pretty interesting and just wanted to show how Mother Nature always finds a way. I don't know if we'll be able to get down in here real close and see these tadpoles. I have been feeding these guys. Just want to show you all of the things that are going on in this boat. It's amazing to me. There's so much life in here. Obviously, we've got bees everywhere. These guys are just constantly in here collecting water. If you look down in here, you can see there's a dragonfly nymph, or what was a dragonfly nymph. He's came up. Yeah, that's what they do. They come up, they hang out here, and they turn into a dragonfly right there. And then they fly away. They probably come in here and eat a bunch of these tadpoles. It's just amazing the different things that grow in here. At some point this thing will rot down completely, and it's possible that this tree could survive somehow. But it's just crazy, all the different stuff in this old boat. I may turn this into a series. You guys let me know if you want to come back and look at the boat here in a few months and just see. But you have to see this right here. If you haven't seen him yet, you will very soon. This guy is smaller than my thumbnail. I'm sorry, smaller than my pinky nail. I'm pretty sure that this is a spring peeper. I am not positive. He's very small right now, but I thought that was pretty daggone cool. And yeah, well, I don't want to mess with anything. I don't want to go flipping stuff over, you know. Obviously some creatures have made this their home and we don't want to disturb it. But yeah, let me know if you guys think we should come back. Should we come back and get some more video of the things that are going on inside this old boat? Guy got little bitty legs there in the back. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. Very little legs. One thing for sure, they all got a big mouth. Yeah, guys, it's just amazing how Mother Nature will find a way. Look at this little tree. Like I say, Mother Nature will find a way. I don't know how long this boat will be here before we end up trashing it, but this makes me want to keep it here. As much as it is junk.